Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Euro Truck Simulator 2 crashing. So the first method what I suggest to do here is to hit play and then press launch in safe mode and play and look if Euro Truck Simulator 2 is crashing on safe mode or not. So this is the first method, but if the problem persists, next fix, you need to go on search, look for documents, then you need to look for a Euro Truck Simulator 2. Then you need to look for config.cfg. If you don't see extensions, so you just need to press on view, show, and then file name extensions, and you should see config.cfg. Right click on it, open with Notepad. Then you need to press Ctrl F or press edit and find here. And then you need to write G underscore color underscore feedback, and then change it from 1 to 0. Then you need to go to file and save. Launch the game, look if the problem persists. And guys, if this did not work, then open a browser, install Revo uninstaller. We need to completely delete all the files from your computer. It's completely free. You can just press on downloads and download free version of Revo uninstaller. Then you just need to launch it. I already got it on my PC. And then you need to look for Euro Truck Simulator. So wait until basically the app will load up all your games and all your apps. And then on search, you just need to write Euro Truck Simulator. Then press on install. You can make it restore point if you want to. Wait for a couple of seconds until it's scanning. As you can see here. Select all the files here, press delete and hit next and do the same. And after you completely uninstall Euro Truck Simulator, try to re-download again and look if the problem persists or not. But I believe with the colors thing, you should fix your problem. So that's pretty much it.